How to enable or disable cellular data for iCloud Drive on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Cellular. Next, go down. So scroll down and then tap on iCloud Drive. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And here, when you turn on the iCloud Drive toggle button, and when you are trying to use iCloud Drive, if you are not connected to a Wi-Fi, then your phone will attempt to use cellular network to transfer documents and data. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.